Good evening, off-road fans. Trent here, 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas, showcasing another 2018 F-150 from the Bob Thomas Ford. We're doing this one for a good customer, John. John's done a few lifts with us. So he just got this truck hot off the presses. It's got all of maybe 24 miles on it. So we're gonna do lift, wheel, and tire package for him and make it really good looking. Rainy days and black trucks make for pretty awesome videos. Here is the 18 F-150 done. Well, almost done. We are wheels to the ground and gonna get into the alignment rack. I'm walking and holding this camera, if you're wondering why I'm shaking it all over the place. It is also because of excitement. There's a lot of excitement mixed in there because this truck looks awesome. How do you guys feel about the grill change for the 2018 F-150s? We got fuel couplers, gloss black, very good wheel choice actually on this truck. I've always really liked the fuel couplers. Nitto, or not Nitto, I almost blasphemed. Toyo Open Country ATs for tires. Toyo Open Country ATs, 35, 12.5, 20s. We always do Nittos, well almost always, because these are Toyos. So that's why I had that slip up, if you'll excuse me. Looks really good. You can get this blue Jeep in here. Yes, it is Trent at the 4x4 Works. Rainy day in Texas. Thank you so much for watching this very short video of a 2018 F-150 that we lifted. Please check out all my other videos. Click the like button and let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video and staring at me while I stare at you through this camera on my cell phone. If you would like to come on by to McKinney, Texas and visit me at 4x4 Works, I sure would appreciate it. Or you can give me a call at 469-424-0028 and just ask for Trent. We do have a full website, 4x4works.com. We also have a Facebook page and an Instagram page and the Twitters and all that stuff. So thank you once again, and stay tuned for more.